Hello students, today we are going to discuss about reading and making maps. So reading and making maps are very important. This is the first lesson in your subject. Okay, I think you know about some maps. Already heard about the maps, India map, world map, okay, continent maps. Okay, do you remember that? Yeah. So some maps are there. Okay, so what we know with the help of maps, that is more important. Okay, maps tells us several things about different places. So to know the information about different places, we use different maps. We cannot go and see all the places in the world now. That is very expensive. Okay, and those are very far away from our country and from our places. So how do we know about those places? Only with the help of maps. Without going anywhere we can know the information about different places on the earth with the help of maps. What they explain, whatever you want to know, so the maps can explain. So to know the information about different things, we should use different maps. No single map can explain all the information about all the places. Clear? So the maps can explain about sea, oceans, sea routes, or mountains, deserts, countries, okay, values, forests, everything, huh? And about the people, about their culture, language they speak, where they are living, okay, their settlements, okay, and about their habits also we can know through the map pointing. So to know information about different things, we use different maps. So maps are types of maps: physical map, political maps, historical maps, weather maps, okay, forest maps, population maps, or soil maps, like that. So for every purpose we have a different map. We cannot know all the information through single map. That's why use different maps. Here, what is the physical maps explain? So physical maps explain about natural features of the earth, like mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, okay, crops, like that. So these physical maps explain about the natural features, physical features of the earth, where the mountains are there. Example, if you want to know the information about the highest mountains in the world, so the map can explain what are the highest maps in the world, where they are located, which one is the first place, which one is the have the second place, in which country it lies, in which continent, where it is exact. So it can show the location of those mountains. So like that, if you want to know about the rivers, where are the rivers, okay, and those rivers from which place to those flow which place to which place, okay, those rivers connect which countries, okay, where it is merged, like that. Every information we may know about the rivers through the maps. Clear? And political maps. So political maps explain about the countries, about the towns, about the cities, about the villages. Okay, so in political map generally explain about the any country, any town, or If you want to know about the world, how many continents are there, oceans, okay, in the continents how many countries are there, okay, in that country how many states are there, in that states how many towns, cities, villages, so what are the boundaries of that countries, which neighboring countries are there for that country, what are the boundaries of that country, what are the boundaries of that continent. It explains about the country or continent or towns, cities, everything. So it is called a political maps. Means here through political maps we know information about the countries or towns and cities. Through physical maps we know the natural features of the earth. Next, historical maps. So historical maps explain about the towns, historical places. So history about our country, who ruled our country or continents or world. Okay, what are the capital cities of the kings, like that. Either historical places, historical history about the countries. Okay, this explain. Next, weather maps. So about the weather, climate of the different places. Next, forest maps. So types of forests, where those are located in our country, which type of forests are there, where those are growing, in which state these different types of forest grow, or in different continents. So the like that forest maps explain about the forest. Like that, for every purpose we use different map. That is important. Okay, next one is, what are the uses of maps? So first of all, maps useful for location of different things like forest, rivers, towns, continents, countries. We know the location of the places where we are in India, where India is located, in Asian continent, where Asian continent is there on the earth. So it shows the boundaries of the Asian continents. Okay, already we discussed with the help of some lines, latitudes and longitudes. So with the help of these, where our country is located, our continent is located, we know very easily to know the location of either mountains, either towns, either rivers, countries, oceans, continents. So like that, we know with the help of the location, help of the map, we know the location of the places on the earth. Okay, next one, to understand the territory. So about our country, so where it is located already we have discussed. So what are the boundaries of our country? So what are those? In the south side, Indian Ocean is there. East side, Bay of Bengal. Okay, west side, Arabian Sea. In the north side, we are having boundaries with some countries. So like that, so where it is, where our territory. So what is the boundaries of our continent? So three sides oceans are there: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Clear? So to know the terrain, to know the information about territory, so we use the maps. Next, to know the route. This is more important. We use route maps more while traveling to different cities, or even when you are traveling in between the cities to reach your destination. We use Google Maps now. We are using Google Map. What the Google Map shows? Route towards your destination. Before only we will fix the route from where to where you are traveling. Then before starting, we switch on our Google Map. Then it shows the route. So along that we will travel and reach the destination. That is more important. So to know the route maps. Once upon a time, most of the people used maps for to know the route, to travel one kingdom to another kingdom, another continent to one continent to another continent, one country to another country. Even in the ancient time also, people traveled from different continents to another continents, one country to another country also, by walk, by using bullet carts, or by using horses. So at that time they don't have this much technology. They don't have cell phone. They don't know about the Google Maps and computers. They used only sketch maps, not this sophisticated maps. They used only very normal maps. That is, those are called sketch maps. Sketch maps means only the drawn. They added some points, linked points, okay, with lines. Like that, from here to here they have to travel, which direction they have to travel, okay, how many kilometers they have to travel to reach this place and that place. Like that, they were prepared some different sketch maps and they traveled. So they used maps for routes, okay, and at the time they used maps at the time of wars, okay, where the location is there, war place, and where they should keep their horses, where they should keep their elephants. Like that, they prepared some sketch maps for war purpose. So like that, people used these maps. Nowadays we are using maps for different purpose. For every purpose we are using maps to explain everything, anything about location, about any terrain, about any information about forest, population, languages. For every purpose we are using different maps. Okay, so even to explain about any organizations also we are using different graphs, bar graphs, pie graphs. Okay, so to explain we are taking helps of the drawings and maps. Even we are using some pictures, photographs. Even we are taking information from our satellites, okay, to explain the anything, to explain about something, some object or some place or something. So like that we are using different maps nowadays. Okay, not only physical maps, political maps, historical maps, we are using different maps like forest map, soil maps, crop for crops. Okay, like that we are preparing different maps. Clear? So already I said we should use separate map to explain different things. We should not use one map for explaining all information. Clear, Nana? So these are the more uses of maps. Not only for knowing the terrain, route and location. Okay, nowadays for every purpose we are using maps to explain about the languages, the people speaking. So where, in which continent, which type of people are living, which region people are living, which language they are speaking. Even in country, even in village, we can explain. How much population is there, we can explain. Okay, like that. Clear? So this is the information about maps and uses of maps. Clear? So we'll discuss remaining information in the next class.